Hello student, very good mornings. Now today we know arithmetic progressions. Okay. At first we define arithmetic progressions. What is arithmetic progressions? Okay. Are you know arithmetic progressions? Listen. At first, an arithmetic progressions is a sequence of number. Okay. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of number such that the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. Okay, student. In general, a1, a2, a3, a4 dot 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 an minus 1 n. Okay. a1, a2, a3, a4 dot 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 n minus 1 and a. Okay, student. See the in the general term of sequence of an AP. Okay. At first, here the formula of n term. Okay. N term, it can be say also the n term, and also we can say last term. Okay, student. And you also given in your book here and there are different, but all are the same. Okay, n, tn or l. It means for last terms, n term, tn term. You given in your book. Okay. Now the formula of n terms is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And here what is d? You know what is d? D means the difference of the two sequence, difference between them. Okay, it means for d, here d is equal to a2 minus a1. Okay, a2 minus a1, that is the constant. Each all are equal. Okay, also written there a3 minus a2, and also written there a4 minus a3, and also we can written there a n minus an and a n minus 1. Okay, at first we take an example, okay, of a sequence of even number. Okay, let 2, 4, 6 dot 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 up to 120. Okay, and here is the first term 2, second term 4, and third term 6, and last term, or it means can say that n term. Okay, a n term. Okay, here given n term, what is 120. Okay, 120 understand. And all also here a1 is equal to 2 and a2 is equal to 4. Okay, only for the common difference given the two terms we can find it. Okay, now d is equal to what? D is equal to a2 minus a1. Okay, given your formula from here. Okay, d means for difference, all are the same. Okay, all are the constant, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3. That we can explain your definitions, student. Then you can solve it. Okay, and now you are putting the value of here in the general terms a1, a2, a3 and up to n. Okay, now here a1 is equal to 2 and a2 is equal to 4. Then 4 minus 2, then written 2. Okay, that you can find here for difference d. Okay, that is constant. Okay, and then you can also number of terms find here. N is equal to what? How many terms? 2 to 120. Yani how many terms? How many even terms from here? Okay, in this term. Now the formula is here given from to using this formula. Okay, n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, then you can put in the value on this formula. Okay, here n is 120. Okay, and a, what is a? The value of a is 2. Okay, then put here, and n minus 1, nothing. Okay, and you have d, you can find it 2, then you can put 2. Okay, now 120, then here interchanging the sign of equal, the constant terms, the sign will change. Okay, then minus 2 equal to. Okay, and after n minus 1 to 2. Okay, then solve it 118, then you can subtract the number, and here n minus 1 2, then you can return here n minus 1 equal to 118 upon 2. Okay. Then divide them. 2 1 is 2 and 2 5 is 10 or 2 9 is 18. Okay. Then you have to get n minus 1 is equal to 59. Therefore, n is equal to 59 plus 1. Okay. Then here is minus 1. Then interchanging this value equal to, then you can get plus 1. So, therefore, n is equal to 60. That is your solution of this problem, my friend. Okay. I think you have no doubt, no confusion. Okay, student. Thank you, student. Okay.